These are the applications I would recommend, especially for men. I want you guys to start investing. This will really help you. And one of the things we fail as men is financial literacy. A lot of people don't have financial literacy, but when you invest your money, it works for you. So I'll recommend you these applications. I'm not going to leave any links to the application, so you guys don't think I'm trying to get any stocks or anything from those applications, but I'll mention them. So I want you guys to go and find out for yourselves. But if you have any questions, you can ask me. So the first one I'll recommend is M1 Finance. I've had this application for a while now, and it's pretty good. You can it's easy. You can set up a pie chart where you can buy stocks. It depends on what kind of investor you are. For me, I just love dividend investing, where you look for a company like, let's say, Coca-Cola or Verizon or AT&T. Those companies that will pay you dividends, because it's not all companies that pay dividends. Some of them pay every month, others pay every quarter or at the end of the year. So M1, you'll be able to set up a chart, and you can add all the stocks you want. Mostly it's like a percentage. So let's say you start with 100%, and you can assign percentages. So let's say like you have 20 stocks, so you assign them 5% each, and it's gonna total to 100. So if you want 100 stocks, then you can assign them maybe 2%, 3%, until all those stocks add up to 100. That's when you set a chart, a pie chart. You can also have the recurring payments or depositing, because you need to deposit money in order to buy them. So you can set up with your bank account where you can take it out maybe every Monday or every week, and you don't have to be there watching. It's gonna automatically buy for you on the next trading day. So let's say it's on a Monday, so you can set it up on Monday, and it's gonna buy for you the next day in the morning. Some of them with M1 Finance, if your portfolio you invest, I think it's over 5,000, they will be able to give you a certain percentage of they'll give you a loan, which is a certain percentage of your portfolio, without affecting selling what's in your portfolio, and you can pay them back, and you still have the profits from getting the dividends or your stocks growing, but you'll be able to make, it's like borrowing your own money, but you still have it in your account. So M1, I've had it. It's good if you're trying to invest and forget about it. So you put in money, assign the stocks after you've done your research on the stocks you need to bring you money or to pay you dividends, or if you're looking for stocks to grow as the years go by. So you do your own research and see the stocks. Mostly what I would recommend is start looking at the things you have in the house you buy every week or every month. You can't do without them. So you want to look up the companies that make up those things, then you can buy stocks from those companies, and especially if they pay dividends, that's a good thing. But make sure you do your due diligence, so you don't just buy stocks just because you like the name. You have to watch the company's balance sheet and see if they're is a good fit for you. That's M1. When it comes to trading, they trade once a day, but depending on you can upgrade and be able to trade in the afternoon. But mostly, if you want to sell all your portfolio, you just sell it, then in the next morning it's gonna sell out your whole portfolio. Sometimes, yeah, like I said, you can trade twice, but you need to upgrade. Maybe you can trade in the morning or in the afternoon. So that's M1 for you. The other one I would recommend is Webull. This Webull, it works almost the same one as the same as M1, but this one you can be able to trade trade options. M1, it doesn't have the options trading option, so you can trade options on M1, but you can buy stocks. On Webull, you can trade options, you can buy calls, you can buy puts, all kind of stuff. So that one is good. I've had M1, Webull for quite a while. Their interface or how their outlook might be, might be challenging for a beginner, somebody who's starting out. But once you get in tune with what's where to find the tabs to find what you need, it's easy. You can also watch on YouTube. There's a lot of people who post the walkthroughs for those applications. So, and as days go by and your trading is gonna be more easier for you. So that's Webull. The other one is Robinhood. I know this one is a little bit controversial because a few months ago they had locked out, people who are buying. There was that frenzy of GameStop and AMC, and there was a lot going on. If you follow, news about stocks or what's going on in the stock market, you should have at least gotten in tune with what happened with Robinhood, and this made a lot of investors, exit the platform and look for other platforms like Webull. So, but I still use Robinhood here and there. I like their outlook. It's easier for beginners. When I started with Robinhood. It was easier for me to trade. It was self-explanatory. So that's Robinhood, and over there is just like Webull. You can buy options, you can buy stocks, also you can buy cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. That's also good. So but the cryptocurrencies are limited. You can buy Litecoin, you can buy Dogecoin, you can buy Bitcoin, and you can also buy Ethereum. As days go by, they're adding more and more cryptocurrencies. So the other one is Fidelity. This one also, it works the same way. You can buy options and stocks. So it works the same way as Robinhood and Webull. The other applications I would recommend is there's another one called Stash Invest, and there's another one called Accounts. So these applications, both of them, they reinvest. When you go to, you can attach your debit card. So when you go to shop, let's say you shop and the total came to $9.50. So the nearest amount is $10. So the 50 cent, which is above, you can round it off. Maybe you can have it rounded off, 2 or 3 times. Let's say if you round off for 2 times, that's going to be $1. 3 times is $1.50, and you can have that reinvested without you being actively involved. So you just need to connect your debit card, and it's gonna do it automatically for you. So those are the main applications. I'm not going to go into detail, especially for the last 2, Accounts and Stash Invest. I know there's some people who've had issues with them, but those are the applications you as a man need to have, so you can start investing your money and make your money work for you. So look them up. Look up M1 Finance. Look up Robinhood. Look up Webull. Look up Fidelity. Also look up Accounts and Stash Invest. So on the next video, I'll try to give you more information on the applications for buying cryptocurrencies or trading. But those are the applications I personally use. So I'm recommending you the things I personally use, and I'm not going to leave any links in the description. So you guys go search them on your Google Play or online, and you can also search more YouTube videos in order to be able to give you a walkthrough on those applications. So guys, make sure you're investing, whether it's $10 or $20, that money, that small money is gonna add up, and is gonna help you in the long run.